Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete legal roadmap to independently establish and register your limited liability company in the Great Lakes state without wasting money on expensive middleman services. Navigating the Michigan regulatory system is remarkably straightforward, beginning directly with selecting a distinctive, legally compliant corporate name. Your name must be completely unique from any active entity on the state records, and it must explicitly contain a professional designator, such as Limited Liability Company, LLC, or simply the initials LLC. Before drafting paperwork, navigate to the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, commonly known as LARA, and use their online Corporations Division database to run a comprehensive entity name search to ensure your concept is fully available. Once your name is cleared, your next structural mandate is appointing a resident agent, which is Michigan's specific legal term for a registered agent. This individual or commercial entity must maintain a physical registered office address within the borders of Michigan, strictly excluding standard P.O. boxes, and they must remain accessible during regular daytime business hours to receive official state correspondence, compliance reminders, and service of process in the event of a lawsuit. With your resident agent secured, you are ready to file your foundational Articles of Organization, known formally as Form 700, which can be instantly submitted online through LARA's Corporations Online Filing System for a standard, highly affordable state filing fee of exactly $50. Within this digital application portal, you will input your exact business name, your overarching corporate purpose, the contact parameters of your resident agent, and the signatures of your initial organizers. Online submissions are typically evaluated and fully approved by the state within 3 to 5 business days, though you can choose to purchase expedited review options if you are working against a tight deadline. While Michigan law does not explicitly require you to file an internal operating agreement with the state government, you should absolutely draft one for your private files to outline your internal ownership percentages, voting rules, and managerial structures, as local banks will frequently request this document before allowing you to move forward. Immediately after receiving your official state approval, go directly to the official IRS website to apply for your employer identification number, which is a completely free federal tax identification number that acts as a secure Social Security number for your enterprise. Take your approved state articles and your new federal EIN straight to your financial institution to open a separate, dedicated business checking account, ensuring your personal wealth and your corporate transactions never mix. Finally, stay compliant by remembering that Michigan requires all active companies to file a $25 annual statement through the My Business portal, which is strictly due by February 15th of every single calendar year. By systematically checking off these structural steps, you will officially launch a fully protected business ready to scale across Michigan. Subscribe the channel for more videos.